Start by measuring your wall from floor to ceiling. Take an internal corner trim and use a tape measure to transfer over the measurements. Mark this with a pencil. Use a multi-tool to cut down the line you've measured. Now get an electric drill and 12mm countersunk screws and drill these into the edge of your trim 300mm intervals. Measure from floor to ceiling with your tape measure and transfer the measurement onto your panel. Mark this with a pencil and use a fine tooth saw to mark a straight line. Now carefully cut the panel down this line. Use a Stanley blade to trim off the narrow edge of your first panel so that it fits nicely against your wall. Apply a silicone to the back of your panel from side to side. If the walls are uneven, apply it like this. Now add your first panel to your wall and ensure you push it in to your internal trim. Use your drill to fix the countersunk screws into the tongue of the panel. Carry this process out for the rest of your panels along the run of your wall. Measure the width that is left at the bottom of your wall, but minus 5mm for your trim. Do the same at the middle and top of your wall. Transfer your measurements onto your panel and mark with a pencil. Now use a straight edge and then cut down the edge with a Stanley blade from top to bottom. Ensure the Stanley blade has gone all the way through the panel. Apply your silicone to the back of the panel and then add your panel to the corner of the wall. When your panel is in place, measure and cut your internal trim so that it fits on the wall. Now secure it into place with screws. Carry on this process for the rest of your wall.